Guys, yesterday was so hectic. Listen, I'm going live tonight. I'm gonna go live tonight anywhere probably between, I'll say, 7 and 9 tonight. So just stay tuned. A lot of you might have to take your notifications, click them and click them back off. Like, unsubscribe, subscribe, and hit the notifications again. YouTube is acting up. A lot of people are not even getting notified that I'm going live, and they're like, hey, you went live. So just so you know, please unsubscribe, subscribe again, and then hit the notifications, because it's not staying consistent, and people are missing my videos, my uploads. That's why I've been trying to do premieres for the videos on the weekend. But guys, I'm flustered. I gotta share something with y'all. Y'all know this has been renovation nightmares for me. It has been. I'm on my way to the hardware store again. I was there yesterday 3 times, and this is my first time today on my way there. This is the same day that I'm doing a live, so I will be doing a live tonight between 7, let's just say 6:30. Let's say 6:30 and 8:30. 6:30, 8:30, somewhere around in there. I'm going to be doing a live. So just stay tuned and kind of, make sure your notifications are on, because I will be going live, because I got to tell y'all the new drama and the new news with this renovation and with the bull and what happened, what I lost, what I think I lost. I don't know. I'm trying to be positive. Everybody's trying to say be positive, but I literally, I broke down and cried, because I just could not believe this. And I'm going to share this with y'all. I'm driving, so let me get off this phone. I will be going live. Make sure you tune in. Tonight, so I can tell y'all what's going on.